Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very quick intro, but today is another cleaning slash decluttering video. So I have done a couple of videos now of decluttering all my stuff, and today we're going to be doing a deep cleaning of my whole apartment. Me and Chloe are going to be moving out in the middle of June into a house, and so we need to get ready for that move. I decluttered my whole apartment, and then I decluttered my makeup room, and I have two videos for those, and they're pretty satisfying to watch, so I will link those down below if you want to see that. We usually are really good about keeping our apartment clean and like mess free, but we really need to vacuum. Our cats shed so much. We need to dust. We need to kind of just like wipe down everything and just make sure that it's all nice and clean and ready to go so we can start packing our stuff up for the move, which I'm so excited for. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay everyone, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. I know that these are some of my favorite videos to watch, just like deep cleaning, kind of relaxing videos. The world is very, very chaotic right now, so I feel like if I can make some people relax for like 10 minutes, then my job is done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos, and I will maybe film us getting packed up. I will definitely film the move and like empty house tour and stuff like that and show you guys what we're moving into. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.